My name is Vanessa Magana. The birth of my daughter was the biggest event of my life. On February 9th, 2007, I felt my goals and values had been completely changed. On February 9th, 2007, my water broke. My husband and I grabbed our bags and rushed to the hospital. We thought we had everything planned out perfectly until I got to the hospital and the doctor told me that I would be needing a C-section. This was a very scary thing for me. I had never gone under the knife. Questions were swirling around in my head. Everything was happening so fast. When I woke up from surgery and held my baby girl for the first time, I felt a connection that I had never felt before. My values were changed forever. From now on, I would be putting her needs in front of mine. My goals changed from my goals to my child's goals. My daily goals were just to get through the day. To add to my daily duties, 15 months later, we welcome another baby girl by C-section. I had another life to be responsible for, but this time I knew what to do. 3 years later, I welcome another baby girl, and I knew my family was complete. My new goals and new values in life, to me, were crystal clear. I have never been happier. Becoming a mother 3 times has been the most rewarding events of my life.